already invited everybody. So I say let's rip this. And that's what I mean. Good luck, everybody. I hope we get you something nasty, but you already know I got your back no matter what. Okay? Good luck, good luck, good luck. Let's see if we can get somebody something. All right, let's take these, obviously. Hey, Resurgence, you just want to fall right over, don't you? I see ya. We'll come back to you. Weird hangers, man, I swear. Weird hangers. There's only one place to open these, and these are the Target ones. Thanks, Dustin. I hope everybody gets it, or at least a couple of you get a deed. Tua on the front of that empty box. And Tony Dorsett, empty box. We'll go with Dorsett first. Hang on, let's do this a little bit. Tony Dorsett, Miles Sanders, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Matt LaFleur, Matt Stafford, Zaire Franklin, Bradley Chubb, Brett Favre, George Pickens, Wes Welker, Joe Horn, Baker Mayfield. Our silver is upside down. Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. Okay. Trey McBride will take for the Cardinals. Quentin Johnston for the Chargers. Mike Quick for the Eagles. Our Niners not bad at all. Ricky Parasol going to sports cards. Behind that, that's weird. It's not usually like that, I don't think. It's usually this card's in front of this card, but we'll take it. For the Chiefs, going to JSCA Gamer, Xavier Worthy on the portals, a base Xavier Legete, and Rook. It was backwards. It wasn't right. It's not how it normally is. It was abnormal. But we'll definitely take this Ricky Parasol. I'll go ahead and build my wall back here. A couple veterans. I didn't put a whole lot of retail in this. Like, Select's kind of demanding nowadays. Jay McNeasy. Oh, man, I'm sorry. I should have invited you, too. I invited Alana, but I forgot to invite you. Obviously, the Bengals. Good evening, brother. Trey McBride's not a bad get for the Cardinals, either. And we actually had some decent wall material out of that. And then, of course, Rook was in there. So, Bethany's just having a field day with that. Nimitz, good to see you, bro. I hope you had a good day. Oh, I'm great. I want to get y'all something. I want something. I'd like to get a gold out of these one day. Tua Tagovailoa, Evan Ingram, Ivan Pace Jr., Joe Montana, Luke Musgrave, Joe Horn, Baker Mayfield, Ahmad Sauce Gardner, Shaq Thompson, Andre Ware, Zach Moss. Our silver, not a rookie. Calvin Ridley, though, that's not bad. Titans don't have a whole lot to hold on to. Fred, we'll take that. He's still a very good player. Marv Levy for the Bills. Dante Culpepper for the Vikings. Russell Wilson for the Steelers. Our rookie is DJ James for the Seahawks. See, now it did the right thing in this one. Marshawn Lloyd on the base Prismatic. For the Eagles, it is a Cooper DeJean on the Prismatic and a Jordan Travis. Okay, there you go, Eagles. There's your little deed. And we didn't have that much retail in it anyways. I did that. That was intentional. We'll take a DeJean. Well, you know, no doubt about that. Now let me take care of these for you, because all this will go out tomorrow. I'll have all this out tomorrow. And this just makes it a tad bit easier when it's time to get it all together for yins. Well, I'm going to say it's H2 time. Then we'll do Resurgence, and we'll end in Select. See what kind of Ds we can get. All right, let's drop him down. Perfect. No falling. $10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 10. Empty box. Oh, I missed the trash can really bad right there. It happens. Logan Wilson, Quincy Williams, Hufanga, Montez Sweat, Cortland Sutton. Our silver is a Geno Smith with a Montez Sweat out of 200, I believe. We'll take that. That's a start, Bears. It's something. And a Malik Washington for the Dolphins, University of Virginia. Man, let's move you down here. Put a little Montez Sweat action up there. Who's fired, Stinky? Who'd I miss? What'd I miss? Who to be? Who to be? Geno? You talking about Geno? Geno got fired? He's got a new squad, dog. Stephon Diggs, Zach Moss, Nico Collins, Josh Allen, Derek Stingley Jr., little rookie we got here. Tavondre Sweat, that is also out of 200. Xavier Leggetti, and that is out of 125 with a base Drake May behind it. Okay, we'll take that pack. Yes, we will. Minnesota breaks. What is up, dog? That's a nice Xavier right there. I like that. Sports cards. And Tavondre. And just so, because I didn't show it, 100 out of 200. Oh, do you now? That'd be spectacular. Trayvon Walker, Micah Parsons, Ramondre Stevenson, Ty J. Spears, Aaron Jones, Geno Smith. That's a bear. Rome Odunze on the silver. Nice. And a Rome base. There you go, brother. Well, go ahead and show up, Bears, if you want to. Levante David, Quay Walker, T.J. Watt, Tyreek Stevenson, Jordan Addison, Demario Davis. On the Pandora for the Panthers, rookie rising Jonathan Brooks. Okay. And Jatavian Sanders for the Panthers. Panther. Sports cards, are you about to have your revenge tour right here, right now? Is this what this is heading towards? The revenge tour? What happened, Nimitz? Did I miss something? Saquon Barkley, Nick Bosa. Oh, the Panthers. I got you. Travis Kelce, Kyle Hamilton, Foye Olakun. For the Texans, Danico Autry on the Pandora. Troy Franklin on the numbered Pandora. That's pretty low numbered, I think. Out of 33 for the Broncos, and Adisa Isaac for the Ravens. Out of 33. 19 out of 33. Levante David, Quay Walker, Patrick Queen, Xavier McKinney, Josh Downs, Derrick Henry. Got a Raven here. Rookie Adisa Isaac, and that is out of 75, and a Chop Robinson for the Dolphins for Mr. Bradford. And technically this is, it's not retail, but it's not a full hobby. It's not, those back there are. Technically this is like a hobby light. Patrick Queen, Trevor Lawrence. Mike Evans, Russell Wilson, Honey Badger. Adam Thielen. Geno Stone. For the Rams, Jared Verse. That was our base pack. It's always one of those. Got to keep us on our toes, you know. Mark Andrews, Rashad White, Terry McLaurin, Myles Garrett, Bryce Young, Danico Autry. We got a Seahawk here. Byron Murphy II on the Pandora, and another Xavier Legette. You know, I've opened quite a few cards in my day. Right now, we've got a Drake-made base out of this box. Kind of feels like, doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it feels like it should. There should be a QB of some sort. Guess we'll ultimately find out. Trey Hendrickson, Zaire Franklin, Patty Mahomes, Kyle Pitts, Gabriel Davis. Oh, looks like we got this auto. Hang on. For the Vikings. You just gotta laugh. You just gotta laugh. I've opened more than a couple of packs in my day, folks. J.J. McCarthy, first on print out of 10, gold Pandora auto. What a thing of beauty. What a thing of beauty. Did you, Lion Hunter? Did you now? Wow. Taking my time here. Oh, you did. Yeah, well, yeah, I did. I thought maybe you called it or something, but I was like, hey, man, I'm just looking at this. I see one Drake-made base over here. We got 2 packs left. I could have never fathomed it was this, though. Look at that beautiful card. First on print out of 10. I mean, that's it. That's it right there, boy. That's it. Travis Kelce is also numbered for the Chiefs, and that is out of 125. And Jonah Ellis for the Broncos. Wow, 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 wow. What a card. What a card. Trey Tucker, Michael Pittman Jr., Romeo Dobbs, Tyler Lockett, Bradley Chubb, Jamar Chase. For the Rams, it is a Kyron Williams Pandora, and it ends with a Brock Bowers for the Raiders. We'll take that, Scotty. Kyron's not numbered. And don't fret, we've got 2 hobbies left to open back here. But great googly moogly. J.J. McCarthy gold Pandora auto out of 10. Let's see what else we've got here tonight. We've got 2 excellent boxes left to open, by the way. Good luck, everybody. One, two. Wow. Okay. That's definitely probably numbered. I mean, you can see that. 1, 2, 3. That's 6. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Empty box. Doc, what's going on tonight, bro? That's gold out of first on print out of 10 right there. Pretty cool. Is that what it is, B-Wax? Did you see through the pack again? What did I tell you about that? No premonitions in here, okay? Hang on, this Phoenix base wants to just not cooperate, so let's do this. I'm going to have to kind of spread it. There we go. Good luck, everybody. Dan Marino, Drew Brees, Brian Dawkins, Frank Gore, Jaden Hicks on the refractor for the Chiefs, Bo Nix on the conductors, Troy Franklin, and Tyler Guyton. Doc, I'm okay. I hope all is well. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing all right. I don't know when you got here. I don't know. Have you seen nothing so far? JSCA? Okay, so right now you're sitting with a silver Rome. You're sitting with a base Rome. You're sitting with a Montez Sweat out of 200, and Caleb has not showed up to this point. And I don't think I really missed anything. I don't believe. And that's a J.J. McCarthy Gold Pandora Auto out of 10. Bob Greasy, Jamal Charles, Fred Taylor, Brett Favre. For the Vikings, Randy Moss. Circuit Breakers, Jacob Cowing for the Niners out of 149. Adisa Isaac and Braylon Trice. Arkham. Oh, Mindhunter, you owe Dustin a Coke, if that's still a thing. Hey, Gil. Hey, Gil. Hey, Gil. Bro, I was talking to you all. You were sitting in here and you weren't saying a thing. Mister? Huh? What's going on around those parts, mister? Trying to talk a little trash, you know. Ozzie Newsome. Bryce Young. Ray Lewis. Boomer Esiason. Is that the auto? It is not. J.C. Latham out of $3.99. John Elway, Glimmer and Gleam, Malik Washington, and Fuaga. No, I was it said you were in my room earlier. I was trying to talk to you about the May that you hit last night. The number match out of 12. University of Virginia. That's absolutely right. Well done. Ed McCaffrey, Edwin James, Marshall Faulk, Lawrence Taylor. You sneaky sneak out of 99, Michael Pratt for the Bucks. Jacob May on the conductors, Xavier Leggett, and Devontae Walker. This feels like it might be a Legends box. I'm just going with my gut on that one. Feels like it might be a Legends box. Jerome Bettis, Eddie George, Joe Montana and Earl Campbell, Barry Sanders for the Bengals, Jermaine Burton out of 99 on the Voltaic, Latu and Brennan Rice. Hey, you know, it's just the way it is, Gil. It's just the way it is. Just like Bocephus, and I think Dracob's got a little bit more edge to it than Bocephus. Nimitz is calling out the RPA. He's saying this RPA is going to be a good one. Mike Irvin, Thurman Thomas, Michael Vick, Christian Okoye, Cameron Kitchens on the refractor, Kurt Warner, Spencer Rattler, and man, just has to show up every time. Every time. Ain't it? You know what I'm saying? Like, why me? Why me? What is it? What is it? By the way, we didn't pull an auto out of that entire side over there. Actually, that side was very lackluster. I'm kind of leaning towards the prediction. Well, if it is one of those people, it's going to be low numbered, I think, because it looks like a fairly thick pack. Joe Thomas, Antonio Freeman, Peyton Manning, Dan Fouts. On the radial marks for the Panthers, turn away, Nimitz, turn away. It's not numbered, but it is Stephen Davis, and there's a nice Brock Bowers behind it. Here we go, sports cards. We take Stephen Davis autos. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Y'all don't want me to pull the 101 Theo. Brock, Smith, and Murphy. I thought at first Brock was a refractor. It's not, but I thought it was. All right, we got to. I feel like we're due a lower numbered card, too. I don't know for sure. Eli Manning, Tim Brown, Terry Bradshaw, Steve Largent, refractor Marshawn Lloyd, circuit breakers Ricky Parasol refractor. That's nice. Tavondre Sweat and Jerzon Newton. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And boy, I tell you what, if Marshawn Lloyd ever does anything, I got some pretty nice ones. I've pulled some pretty nice ones, and I have some pretty nice ones. Aaron Donald, Maurice Jones-Drew, Terrell Davis, Anthony Munoz. Our refractor is a Kurt Warner. Circuit breakers Luke McCaffrey, Jalen Polk, and Adonai Mitchell, Gil's boy. Kurt Warner, Justin. Kurt Warner. Kurt Warner. It can start there, right? Actually, I'm going to swap these out because there's probably no chance this has an auto in it, this pack. Adrian Peterson, Isaac Bruce, Hines Ward, Will Levis. Big Frittercon, 249, Jason Kelsey for the Eagles. A refractor, Blake Corum for the Rams, J.C. Latham, and Cam Kitchens. He's not going to make the squad. Well, we'll see. We'll see about that. We'll see about that when they're out there throwing the ball around and I mean, what round was he? What round was he, Gil? I don't know. I'm not a Pats fan. I'm not sure what round Polk was. I'm not a Pats fan, so I'm not exactly sure when that happened. Hang on, I'm trying to fix this real quick. Second. That's an all. He doesn't make the squad. I find that highly unlikely. I really do. And even if he doesn't, then it might even be better, to be honest. He's a second round pick. Somebody else is going to say, oh, wait a minute. Jerry Rice, Jason Kelsey, Tom Brady. Our refractor is a Marcus Allen, and this should be an auto. Good luck. Looks like it might be numbered. Jatavian Sanders, 9 out of 25. Nimitz, run away. The Panthers are annihilating. 9 out of 25. Anthony Richardson, Peyton Wilson, and Jalen McMillan. That's a sick. I have seen some of his cards coming out here recently that have the full Sanders on the end. But this is still nice. 9 out of 25. We'll definitely take that. And I don't know, you guys. You might have the prediction of the night. That RPA might be a quarterback. It might be a quarterback. That is an awfully low-numbered card, though. So I don't know how that plays a factor. Because we know that's got to be numbered, too. Or we think it is. Good luck, everybody. We got a select left. Doug Flutie, Mike Singletary, Troy Aikman, pulling from the back. Marshawn Lloyd, Jaden Hicks, a Will Shipley on the circuit breakers for the Eagles, and I don't know. I don't know about these colors. Oh, no. Oh, who is that? Oh, no. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, it was a quarterback, all right. Hi, Jaden. Hi, Jaden. Hi. 32 out of 75. It is. It is. It is, bro. Bro, he's consistent. I don't know what else to say. It's extra chunky too. And he's passed out. Look at this. Look at this. It's uncanny, dude. It's uncanny. But you guys were right. Our gut feel was right. It was a quarterback. It was a quarterback. Oh, baby, that's a nice card. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Okay. Select. Knock our socks all the way off. Heck of a Thursday break so far. It's just player worn. I don't know if you can see that. It's written down pretty low. Player worn. Or it's fine print. 5 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. Good luck, everybody. Select can do wonderful things as well. Empty box. Let's hope that it does. One thing's for sure is that there always ends up being a pack like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let's do it like that because I think that's where the pack was supposed to be. Carson Steele, Tyler Lockett. On the silver is an Andre Reed for the Bills, and look at this nice little card right here. Going to the G-Men. Thank you. Thank goodness, Mr. Bradford. Starting to get nervous on those picks. That's an excellent card. 14 out of 35 and a Gus Edwards for the Chargers. That's an excellent and a very nice looking card. Point blank. Nice. Just getting nervous for you, bro. I don't like giving my evaluation and nothing showing up. Man, that Jaden Daniels is sick. Aaron Jones, Jerry Jeudy on the silver. We might have an auto right here. Rookie, Raven. Nope, Nate Wiggins out of 99. Base, Jaden Daniels and Puka. It's a nice little hit for the Ravens. On the Givey from Stinky. Stinky, are you in here? You've been awfully quiet. I ain't pulled you nothing, have I? That's probably why he's quiet. I don't blame him. I don't blame him, man. I don't blame him. Should have been Theo. Don't do that to me. Stop. We already saw him. Y'all stop that. Once we've already seen him, you don't have to like bring him up again. But you will. But you will. Hunter Henry, Mo Alley for the Bills. Joe Andreessen on the silver. Ricky Parasol, Neon Icon, and Devontae Adams. Joe Andreessen. Oh, Lion Hunter's like, what? Where he at? Where he at? Where he at? Isaiah Likely, Xavier Worthy for the Chiefs. Hang on. Oh, Silver Jaden. Wow. That's a nice card. Brees Hall for the Jets on the silver. Hey, look, Stinky, a card. And Will Reichert for the Vikings. Bro, it's real. It happened. And a Xavier base. Okay. A.J. Barner on the rookie. Silver Hufanga for the Niners. Garrett Wilson on the select for the Jets. Mike Gesicki and Khalil Mack. It's kind of the equivalent of a base pack, it feels like. I don't know, there's a silver hollow in it. We can't say that, but we can't. And an A.J. Barner, you know. Appreciate the follow. Anybody in here not follow me, you like breaks, please follow me. You might not see me again. And what a travesty that would be. Don't do that. Don't do that. We need to be friends. Brandon, I see you pumping out them likes in Lion Hunter. I see you. I appreciate you. Hey, look, a Marvin Harrison Jr. You can rest well easy tonight, Justin. Jordan Love. It's Bucky, isn't it? I like these Bucky cards, like the picture they took of him. I like it. And that's an auto. For the Colts this time, going to B-Wax, it is Latu out of 399 and Joshua Dobbs. It's just a sharp-looking card. We did pull the the zebra of this gentleman right here. And a Marvin. Fell apart, man. Patty French fries. Darnell Savage. Silver Ivan Pace Jr. for the Vikings. Texans Phenomenon C.J. Stroud and Joseph Burrow. They had to sneak Ivan Pace Jr. back into the set, too. Select's probably made Ivan Pace Jr. since he was a rookie. And they kept it that way. They're perfectly okay with that. Something thick here. Brian Branch. Look at this. Oh, that's just sick looking. Sports cards. That's just, look at the patch. Tie-dye. And it is out of 25, 14 out of 25. That's a sick looking card. Silver Hollow, Austin Eckler, a Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens out of 75, and a Kendall Fuller for the Dolphins. Nice. Is he number 14? I can't see it on the. Yeah, it looks like it. Yep. Good call. I think he might be a little tad thick here. Yeah, he's definitely thick. What a nasty looking patch. Too legit to quit. Hey. Look at that. That's nasty. That's nasty. And an Austin Eckler. Phillip Rivers, David Njoku. Silver for the Colts, Joe Flacco. Look at him. For the Pats, Jacob May. That's a good card. Out of 249, and CJ Stroud. It's a good card. It's a nice card. Imagine that slabbed up. And Joe Flacco. The Colt you didn't know you needed. I will do a recap at the end. Brian Anger, Trey Benson, Silver Packer, Jair Alexander, Josh Allen on the checkerboard. Now you need to turn away. Out of 175, and A.J. Cole. Because we've been waiting forever and a day for A.J. Cole to be in the set. I'm fairly certain there's another thick pack right here. It is. Yeah, we'll do that one last. I got a feeling it's probably an RPA. Potentially. Evan McPherson. Oh, maybe not. Nico Collins on the snapshots for the Texans. It is Kenny McIntosh for the Seahawks, and that is out of 399. CJ Stroud and Isaiah Simmons with one pack to go. That pack does feel thick, though, folks. I don't know what that entails, but we're going to find out, aren't we? We're going to find out right now. And when I do the recap, I know most of y'all leave. Don't worry about it. I got your back. All this stuff is going out tomorrow. So if you got in yesterday's or today's, it'll all be in one package. But this is the finale before I do the recap. Good luck, everybody. Yeah, something's in here. Fred Warner, Devin Hester pulling from the back, a Caleb Williams base, a Dallas Turner, and for the Dallas Cowboys, I've never seen this guy before ever. Brevin Spanford on the RPA out of 199. Any Cowboys fans in here have any idea who this is? Any? Yeah, beef. Nice, Andrew. It's the Beefsman. It's what's for dinner. I don't know anything about the guy, so never seen him. Looks like a defensive player. Appreciate you, Fred. Thanks for stopping in, bro. I'll probably post tomorrow sometime, I don't know, around 10, 11, something like that tomorrow. Maybe a little bit later. It all depends. Excellent break. I know some of y'all have to take care of, which is always the case, but that was spectacular. That was a good break. Not mad at that break, not in the slightest. Appreciate you, Justin. Have a good night, bro. And I should be able to get this replay up tonight, I hope. So for anybody that isn't even here, not really talking to them right now because they're not here. I got you, dude. Don't y'all worry. Like, I think y'all know that. Like, the more teams you get, the better I don't know. I even it out as best as I can. I think I do anyways. I actually put thought into what I put into the box. Appreciate you, Lion Hunter. Kurt Warner. John Elway. Cam Kitchens. Jaden Hicks. Mike Quick. Xavier Legate. Nice little Cooper DeJean there. Trey McBride. Drake May. Kyle Pitts, Quentin Johnston, Montez Sweat out of 200, Ricky Parasol, Xavier Legette out of 125, Calvin Ridley, Xavier Worthy, Jason Kelsey out of 249, Ricky Parasol, Brock Bowers, and Drake of May. Appreciate you, Lion Hunter. Xavier Legette, Travis Kelsey, and that's out of 125. Roma Dunze, Jonathan Brooks, Roma Dunze, Jaden Daniels, Jalen McMillan, Blake Corum, Kurt Warner, Jermaine Burton out of 99, Bo Nix, Adisa Isaac out of 75, Troy Franklin out of 33, 19 out of 33, and Jatavian Sanders. 238, there was not one lion in here. Byron Murphy, Spencer Rattler, Randy Moss, Jacob Cowling out of 149, Kyron Williams, Brock Bowers, Xavier Legette, Chop Robinson, Stephen Davis on the auto, Bucky Irving, Xavier Worthy, Brees Hall, Jerry Jeudy, Marcus Allen, Brevin Spann Ford, RPA for the Cowboys out of 199, Drake May out of 249, Kenny McIntosh out of 399, Josh Allen out of 175, Kyle Hamilton out of 75, Marvin Harrison Jr., Law 2 Auto is out of 399, Jaden Daniels Silver, Ricky Parasol, Nate Wiggins out of 99, not bad. Jatavian Sanders Auto 9 out of 25 for the Panthers, not bad either. Malik Neighbors, and that is out of 35, 14 out of 35 for the Giants. Ricky Parasol, tie-dye patch, 14 out of 25, number match, Adeed. Caleb Williams, Jaden Daniels RPA, 32 out of 75, amped up, very, very nice card. And J.J. McCarthy Gold Pandora Auto, first on print out of 10. Oh, man, look at those two cards right there. Unreal. Thank you, everybody. I will see you tomorrow night. We may try and pull off 2 tomorrow night. I think that might be something that is planned in my brain right now. So have a good rest of your night, everybody, and I will catch you sometime tomorrow, hopefully. Friday will be here. Thank you so much. Good night, everybody. Thanks, Mr. Bradford.